Want to know how to attach files in Kimi 2.5? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your kimi.com on your website. So we have also created a video on how to access Kimi, on how to log in or how to sign up, so make sure to watch all of that. So once you have watched all of that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So now once you're on this interface, on the leftmost side you should be seeing various options that you can choose from. The chat interface, you can just simply select any one of these. So how do you attach files and pics? So right here you should be seeing this chat box, and on the left side you should be seeing this plus icon right here. So you can just simply select that. So now once you have looked at that, here you should be seeing add files and photos on top. So just simply select that, and now once you have done that, it should be opened with your file explorer, and you can just simply select any one of these. So I'll just select this image right here, and it should show its preview just like this right here. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.